what's going on? My name is Kissha J, and thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful dip dye wall art. Yes, I'm super excited about this. So do me a favor. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's get started. I decided to go with two 1x2s. This project can be done with wooden dowels or these wooden planks, just like you see here. You want to cut these to the desired size to fit whatever area you're going to use these in your home. The next step is to loop your yarn around the dowel. So in order to do this, you want to cut the string to your desired length. You want to fold the string in half, take the loop, put it underneath the dowel, and you want to take the bottom half of the string and loop it through the hole, just like you see here. So that you're able to see how this is done, I'm going to do this step again in slow motion or in regular speed so that you're able to get the step. And then I'm going to speed this part up. When you're doing this step, you want to make sure that you're putting your string as closely together to one another as you can. To make it more fuller, you can use more than one string to loop around the dowel at one time. So after you've gotten all the string on the wooden dowel, you want to cut it to the length that you desire. This piece will be going over my headboard, so mine will be pretty short. So make sure that you measure the area that you're putting it in so that you won't cut too much of the string. Now it's time for the fun part. Yay! So now it's time to dye. To dye, you want to make sure that first you wet the string. You want to make sure that the string is soaked in water as much as you can. I would recommend getting a larger a larger bucket than what you see that I have, especially if the string that you're using is longer. make sure that you get a bigger bucket. You can buy buckets from Home Depot, Lowe's. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, so it was just $1. But you want to make sure that the bucket is big enough to fit your string. The dye that I use is red dye or white dye. Just follow the instructions on the bottle and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do to dye your string. For my project, I used 3 different color dyes. I used a light gray, a navy blue, a green, and then at the tips, I used this rose gold color to kind of make a little accent for the tips. I would recommend before you even start this project to kind of draw out what you want this to look like. Me, honestly, I had no idea, so I just kind of free-handed it. So this is going to be me dyeing the first color, which is the light gray. I also recommend that you start with the lighter color first and then move on to the darker colors. This color is going to be the second color. This is the navy blue. Because I wanted the navy blue to be in the center of the string, I folded the string and dipped it inside the dye. You will see exactly what I'm talking about here in just a few minutes. Also, in between each color, I did not allow the string to dry. So once I dipped the first color, which was the light or the gray, after I took the string out of the gray, I went on and did the navy blue. I did not wait for the string to dry. So this right here is going to be the third color, which is the green. And I just wanted the green to be on the tips. So I just inserted the string into the green dye, just the tips of it. Once I finished with my third dye, I allowed the string to dry fully. Once that was done, I stapled my second plank at the top of my design. If you don't have a pneumatic stapler, you can use liquid nail to glue this right on top. If you use a dowel, you don't even have to do this step. So once you're done with that last staple, this is how the project looks. Yes, I am so excited on how this turned out. I absolutely love it. So if you like this just as much as I did, give me a big thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you think, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.